Welcome back to virtual reality. My name is Thomas and you're watching VoodooDE VR. Today we have an unboxing. I just got a package and this one here is the StarVR One headset. This is not a consumer headset, it's for business and therefore it's pretty expensive. So I'm really looking forward what's inside the package. We will perhaps try it on the head for the first time now in this package, and then we will see. You can find everything about VR and AR on this channel thanks to my sponsors VoodooDE VR, Opperman Events, Andi de Pelzer, VR Ambassador, Alpha Blend Interactive and Virtual Escape. If you want to support me, you can find everything in the description below. Yeah, let's have some fun with the unboxing and let's go!
VoodooDE.
Okay, so let's check out what's inside the box. Oh, let's check out the box first. So the design of the box is nothing special. I expected a little bit more, to be honest. You can't even see the logo here, only in the right position here. It's reflecting a little bit. It says StarVR and here we see SteamVR 2.0 tracking. There is nothing else here, nothing else. But at the back side we see some specifications, but they are very small, like the resolution, AMOLED display, 90 Hz and stuff, 210-degree horizontal field of view and stuff. But we will check this out in the review, of course. So let's open the box. Ooh, place it on the ground here. Give me a second. And here we already have the headset. You can see it here. Pretty awesome, but we will check it out later. Let's put it on the side for now, because it's the most interesting thing. Let's put this here, and we have two boxes here. Let's get them out of the box. Put that here, and let's first open the smaller box. What's that? Yeah, let's check out what's inside this box. So we have some cables here. So we have two of the same USB cables. The first one is this here, USB, short, very short cable, and another one, it's two of the same here, this. Then we have two, let me see, two DisplayPort cables, very short as well, here, two of the same kind, DisplayPort. Okay. Two, and then we have a plastic cover for the two connections of USB-C. You will see that later then. Just some plastic stuff. Nothing special. And here's the cable. It seems very long. Very long, and on the one hand we have two USB-C slots here. See that? And this is where you put it inside the plastic covers. Two USB. And on the other side, two USB-C plugs. This has a gray and brown color. Gray and brown. We will see. So I think this is very important. The cable is pretty long. I think that was 5 or 6 meters. We will see that. I will measure that in the review. The cable is very unflexible, to be honest. It's very thick, unflexible, and I wonder how you can play very fast games with that. But please, guys, you have to notice that this is not a consumer headset. It was never intended to be a consumer headset. It's a business headset. So it doesn't make sense to play very fast games like Pavlov or what, where we can turn around. We will try that, but in first line, this is not a headset for gamers, of course. So let's put that back in the first box here. Okay. Back here. And let's open the second box. Here we go. What do we have? So these are the power plugs and they are for different regions. I have no idea. I think this is UK. This is for this. I can use this one in Germany. no idea what that is and no idea what that is. I think this is US here, but yeah. However, 4 power plugs, and then we have the link box here. So it says StarVR here, and we have the power supply connection. Then we have 2 USB connections and 2 display ports here. Nothing on the side, and here on the other side we have 2 USB-C slots. Nothing here. StarVR, very interesting, very small and very light. And this is rubber mat, so it doesn't get slippery. And here is the power supply unit, the power adapter. Interesting, guys. So yeah, that's it for the stuff what's inside these 2 boxes. And of course, now you want to see the headset, right? So let's get the headset back here in the middle of my desk. So first, yeah, let's check it out first. How it looks. It's pretty interesting here. To be honest, the design is not my favorite. It just looks like a pyramid here. And you see all the lighthouse sensors here everywhere. A lot of lighthouse sensors. So the tracking should be very, very good. And we see here the cable connectors. These are 2 USB-C connectors that will get into the connector plastic pieces. And we also have 1 small cable that goes to the audio jack here. So we have to use our own headphones because the StarVR One has no integrated headphones. Yeah, interesting. It's on the side here. We also see the lighthouse sensors. It has, of course, no IPD slider because it does that automatically. Very interesting with the motor inside. And yeah, so then let's check out a very important thing, the lenses. I will get this cover off and also the face cover. And look at this beautiful lenses. Oh my God. Wow. Very, very cool. Is there a scratch? No. Very cool. Wow. So big lenses. So awesome. Let's put that back here. Give me a second. Here and there. And the cool thing here is it has a 3-point strap here. So here and there and there. So if we spin the wheel here, there are 3 sliders that can be used to mount it on your head. So let's place it on my head now, like this, and then we can just tighten it, and it's tightened on 3 different spots, and that's so awesome. It's really comfortable. It's also very light. I totally love that. Wow. I can't even feel it. It's great. It's really great. I already loved that at my first try 2 years before, and now we have it here. Very interesting. So the StarVR One, guys. Now the question, what should I test with it? Write it in the comments below. Please note that Steam VR games will not work without the support of the developers. They have to reassemble all the games so that it works with the 210 degrees field of view. It's very important that you know that. I can't just play a Project Cars 2. It doesn't work. And this is of course a problem. So the developers have to do that for every single game so that it works with the StarVR One. What do you want me to try? Write it in the comments below, or want me to test. We will see that, of course. So guys, yeah, I hope you liked it. If yes, give me a thumbs up. If you want to support me even for free, you can find everything in the description below. So subscribe to my channel so you will not miss the upcoming review of the StarVR One. Give me some days, it will take a longer time I think, but then I will show it to you. Thank you for watching and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya!
VoodooDE